Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Wi-Fi denied access. So guys, if you're facing this problem, here I will show you some possible solutions to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to fix this problem is that you will have to just forget this network on which you are having trouble, and then you will have to reconnect this network to fix this problem. So guys, for that, open settings on your device, tap on Wi-Fi, and from here tap on warning button on which network you are having this trouble, and from here just tap on forget this network. So guys, from here just forget this network and then again try to reconnect this network, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, there is another solution as well. You will have to make it sure that your device is not in block list from the other hand. So guys, make it sure that your device is not in block list. If it is in block list, you will have to remove your device from the block list. So guys, after this, go for the third solution. You will have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN, you will have to disconnect it from here, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after this there is a last solution. If all this solution doesn't work, that is you will have to reset network settings on your device. So guys, for that, open settings again and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and from here tap on reset and again tap on reset network settings. So guys, give your password here and reset your network settings, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, these are the solutions to fix this problem. Hopefully after all the solutions your problem will be fixed. So guys, if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.